So the guys are pinning the fabric over the quad pack. Now our 5 foot wide, by however long you purchase, we got it in 100 feet and we got it in 360 feet. So that 5 foot width is the one that's perfect if you're going to do a burrito wrapped quad pack. And it almost is, it's literally so perfect that we do not have to trim it, because you know we don't want a complete overlap. So you see how they make it to the center, and it's just, they're knitting it together, they're stapling it. It's pretty sweet. So this is the 5 foot wide fabric, and the guys obviously are working off a 360 foot roll, but you know, we have it for you guys for your smaller systems. Like, this is a French drain grid, and you're going to burn through, you know, pipe and fabric. So you're best off to call the office, work a deal on a big 360 foot roll, the 5 foot wide, with 4 coils of the high octane. Get your money's worth on that skid pallet freight. All right, guys, until the next video.